Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove text from a PDF text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF and I'll remove and modify this text and select this home option, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this text box and select it and drag your mouse cursor and select. Now press backspace or delete key from your keyboard and say this text now delete. Also I'll delete this one and say this. In this way you can remove all of this text or associated text from your PDF file. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.